As a student, marami tayong ginagawa. We explore, adapt, and create new ideas. At school, we try different activities where one's skills are not limited to one area. Even if it is not part of what we can do, it helps us to discover and learn new skills. It's a kind of understanding and embracing one's ability. We are the Group 1. We present a documentary portfolio saying that
one that serves all the purpose.
Good day everyone. So as part of our documentary portfolio, I am pleased to present my two significant academic achievements. My Dean's certificate from Baao Community College and my recognition certificate from grade 9 as a recognition staff student in grade 9. My Dean's List certificate, it highlights my ability to maintain a high standards in a challenging college environment, while my grade 9 certificate achievement, it shows the ability to my early dedication for academic success.
Today, as part of our documentary portfolio, I present my final project as MC19 Assessment and Evaluation in Mathematics. So my first work is all about sample rate computation, and the last one is all about slogan making.
Good day everyone! As a part of documentary portfolio, ito yung nagawa ko nung nakaraang taon or this coming year, mga papunta pang taon sa akin. So, ito yung ginawa ko is nag-present ako ng activity namin and nag-report na rin ako tungkol sa yung ano. So, ni-report ko dyan is about sa edukasyon sa pagpapakatao. So, yun lang.
As part of our documentary portfolio, here's my work. This is a kind of show portfolio where the knowledge that we've learned in science, we incorporate to create a creative market. Here we won a third place. Though we are not able to win as the first place, it still gives us an opportunity to share our skills in science. Okay? So here is my other works. This is a experiment and the other applications. So here, we use the application of fluid mechanics to create a new and creative indigenous materials or products. Here I am also able to create a YouTube videos where sharing a knowledgeable videos for the people. This is uploaded from my YouTube channel. So, if you want to visit my YouTube channel, just search Science Sun. Okay? So, that's kind of a show portfolio.
Hey everyone, as part of our documentary portfolio, dito is nag-demo ko sa Signatura Araling Panlipunan, kung saan naipakita ko yung teaching skills ko.
Hey everyone, as part of our documentary portfolio, so this is my work. So, ito yung pinagmamalaki ko kasi hindi ko inaasahan na makakasama ako sa Dean's Lister na kahit hindi ako gaano nag-aaral is nakasama pa rin ako. So, proud ako sa sarili ko na kasama ako sa Dean's Lister.
As part of our documentary portfolio, this is my work about documentary about lesson plan. So, dito, nagawa ko kung paano mabuo ang lesson plan.
Good day everyone! As a part of documentary portfolio, ito nga po pala yung pinili ko, ang dance, dahil ito nga po pala yung kinahiligan ko simula nung bata ako at hanggang ngayon. And syempre, naging proud din po ako sa sarili ko and then sa mga group dance ko dahil nung taong 2023 nung lumaban po kami sa street dance competition, nakuha po namin dito yung Grand Champion na nakareceive po kami ng 80,000 cash. Yun lang.
As part of our documentary portfolio, this is my work. My work is a show portfolio. Dito po, binabase po dito na yung pagiging show talent ko is yung Huwag na maging mahiyain and doon po yan maging most of confidence ko.
As part of our documentary portfolio, here's my work. This is a working portfolio which helps me in reflecting in my day-to-day activities.
Good day! As a part of our documentary portfolio, here's my work. This is also a type of documentary portfolio. Essay working that aims to present real-life experiences or social issues through careful analysis and storytelling.
Good day! As part of our documentary portfolio, so this is my example portfolio. So my example is also about documentary portfolio because as you can see in the picture, I presented our investigatory project in the major subject. So on that presentation, I got 95% of grade. So and then they have 3% in front of the picture because that's 3% is judges of our investigatory project. So that's why I got 95 on that project. Thank you. That's all.
So good day everyone. So I am here po to present our portfolio po. So dito po is the documentary portfolio. So dito po ay ginawa ko dito is pag-demo teaching sa asignaturang Araling Panlipunan. So sa pagkataon pong iyon ay sa pag-demo teaching ko ay ipakita ko yung aking kakayaan sa pagtuturo ng mga konsepto at paggamit ng mga makabago at makabuluhang estratehiya sa pagtuturo. At pagbibigay diin sa mga issues sa panlipunan na may kinalaman sa mga kultura, kasaysayan at pagkakakilanlan.